What's good with y'all boys, man? Hey, this your boy. Damn. What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Big Boss Glory, man. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe. Go watch the last videos, cause we be lit, we be turning up, man. And for some of y'all that don't know, I am in a car club called Deluxe Customs, bro. We going crazy, I ain't gonna lie, bro. We got big stuff coming soon. Slow down, little baby, bro. You got to slow down, bro. I'm trying to talk, bro. You can't be. But anyway, like I was saying, man, I'm in a car club called Deluxe, you feel me? Any car can join, bro. It's not just skats, bro. Like, I don't know why people keep thinking it's just skats, bro. But look, though, we got merch coming soon. So y'all gotta stay tuned for that. I know y'all gonna cop. Cause y'all already told me y'all gonna cop, so you already know what's going on, man. But now, my boy Pat, he finna go pick up his new car. So, you know, I'm trying to see. I'm gonna get the footage for y'all boys, man. You feel me? I gotta let my niggas see the heat, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this video right here is a banger, bro. I'm not gonna lie. If you ain't already subscribed and you just watching my videos, bro, I don't know what to tell you, bro. You gotta, come on now. But yeah, though, man. My boy, I think we here. My boy picking up his car. So I'm gonna get back on the camera, man, when we get to the spot. I'm gone. I ain't gonna lie, man, we here though. Look at my scat though, she look good, no? My boy Pat over there. Hey, that's a different video. Hey, that's Sean right there? Oh, I ain't never seen it in person. Red sheets, man, they about to go crazy. And look at that, bro. Oh, boy. That sounds good, though. Stock exhaust, man. Yeah, that shit's going crazy. I'm ready to make the bitch pop. You can't say that. Come on, pop the shit. Yo! He didn't even know I had the camera on. Oh! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, she gonna sound good, bro.
Get some bigger. Shit go crazy as fuck, bro.
Yo, oh my god.
Some bigger tips up there?
That's, yo.
He put some
I ain't gonna lie, my guy gonna gap a lot of niggas right there, though. Yo. I'm about to do a lot of clickbait in this video. I ain't gonna. Yeah, it sound good too.
He about doing a lot of clickbait. He about to be in there. G8 running faster than ever.
Got to.
Yo, I can see the matchup. Yeah, hell yeah. What's something with this? First race, eyes, watch. You gonna be like first race, first victim.
Yo.
And then the next video, damn, fucking G8 disappointed.
I ain't gonna lie, I gotta do a car review on this. You got to, bro.
Oh, yeah, I got
to.
Let me tell you the exhaust now, too.
boy already, he already stepping on next with this.
Oh, nigga, wait till the motherfucking next weekend, bro.
I'm waiting for this surprise you got.
And then it ain't even just him, my boy Sean over there.
Next Saturday.
Ah, I'm waiting for that surprise.
Yeah, trust and believe. Only 2 people know the color.
And I'm still mad you didn't tell me. Because I already knew what you were doing.
He ain't even tell me.
Exactly.
And I ride with the nigga.
They helped me figure out a lot of things.
Yo.
She helped you figure out the color?
No.
So she can figure out some nice colors though.
They ain't got one all the way back there.
Oh yeah, cause she do be giving me some good advice.
Yeah.
Must be nice to have money in the family. Must be nice to have your whole family have money.
Too bad I'm broke.
Shit.
I couldn't.
I don't have a wrap on my car.
Look at that thing though, man.
I wrap it.
Huh? I don't have a wrap on my car.
Gotta get that thing pulling out. Too hard. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, the front of that just hard, bro.
Oh shit, Cliff got gaps. I heard some money.
Oh, you ain't heard money. You just heard.
I heard Brembo.
Credit. That's all you heard. Credit.
Did I hear deep brakes on the G8?
Huh?
Yep. I hear Brembo. Oh, shit.
Check this out. The only reason why y'all think we got money is because we're using our money. Deluxe customs car.
Oh, shit.
Hey, you hear him, dog?
I was using that motherfucker.
Deluxe customs car.
Hey, you see who cars been here the most? Those two cars you go to money.
Bro, that's my first time seeing that, bro.
Motherfucking ZL1, but this is
Look like they almost done with that thing. Hey, ask Sean where they at with it, Pat.
That Merrill right there,
In fact,
the person that owned that,
yeah.
got the most money in the group.
Oh,
Richest
snap.
nigga alive, bro.
I told you that bitch say
His name is,
supercharged.
the
Oh.
name, bro. Apple called me and changed his contact name to Money Man Sean.
Oh.
His IG is 919 Sean.
Oh, so that's what's going on. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, that's in the beginning. Hey, that's in the beginning of the clip.
What I said? Yeah.
Boy finna do a little pull for y'all, boys. Yo, that jump, bro, is crazy. My boy Sean, though, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. That boy Sean got money.
No cap.
That's the next question.
How much longer he got? I'm ready to see that bit motherfucker shoot flames. I was supposed to say that.
We gotta do a little review on that too for y'all, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Man. Dang, that boy is squeaking.
Motherfucker need a new belt. I need a new belt.
Yo, everybody that watched this video, my buddy got a ZL1 that's running anything. He haven't seen a set of tail lights yet. His name, AKA Ratty ZL1. You know what ZL1 stands for? 0 losses, not even one.
Okay, okay. Okay, it's all the way over there if y'all don't see
Roll the
it.
window up.
He gapping niggas.
Nah, you never seen a set of tail lights yet. If you want to put money on it, let me know.
He be racing pink slips too. He be doing it for the pink slips.
You ain't got no big money, bro. No hit me up.
Oh, facts. All right, I'ma just hop in my scat. I'm gone. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, bro. They going crazy, bro. 2 cars. Them boys going crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I might gotta boss up and go get me something else too, though, bro. I don't know, but I look you on a truck though, like, cause it's some y'all truck boys, man. Y'all be thinking y'all crazy, man. Y'all don't even be having y'all trucks lifted, so I might gotta I might gotta do something, man. I ain't gonna lie. I might gotta show y'all how to really go crazy in the truck game, cause y'all don't know what y'all be doing, bruh. Talk about tooted. Nigga, don't let me get in the truck game. My shit gonna really be crazy, damn. And I had to change the shirt, bruh. Look. Let me show y'all boys, man. Got a hole in my glorious merch, man. Look at this. But I ain't even tripping though, man. More merch coming soon. You already know the vibes, man. We going crazy, man. Me and Brusky gonna talk about it. You feel me? We gonna have something coming for y'all boys. Females too, not just the niggas, cause I know females be watching my videos too. So you already know. We're going crazy, man. But I'm about to find out what we finna do, and I'm gonna hop back on the camera with y'all boys on go. Let me tell y'all boys something, man. I tell y'all boys the truth. He told me my man Shine got the money. He got the bread too. Don't even listen to this man, bro. He got the bread too, man. And I ain't gonna lie, this nigga do too, bro. He finna get him a Camaro. I'm the only one who ain't really got no bread for real though. Like this car for real, this car right here ain't even really mine. It's a rental. Not my car, bro. I don't know why it's a rental though. They let me rent it for 30 days, so shit, I think, oh, I gotta take it back today. Oh, no, I'm gone. They got the fast guy.
What about it?
Don't matter.
They're not starting up the car? They're not starting up. Hey, turn some of that money down.
Where's it at? I'm about to get an oil change.
In the front of your car? What's the moves?
I don't know if I'm trying to They ain't trying to let us hit Sean's stuff.
Bro, that junk look good. Y'all know where we at, man. Boy getting us right. Damn, we can't even go in. He gotta put it up, so we can't even come in. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh yeah, it is nice.
You believe he wrapped it 4 times?
4 times.
This is number 2 for this car, 4 for this guy overall. He
Dang.
got a wrap twice otherwise.
That's crazy.
So the question is, what color is the car?
What, this one?
Original color.
Oh, he's asking y'all, cause I seen it.
What?
The color of the car.
Color.
Color of this car?
Yep. I already seen it.
White.
Probably a red.
Was it white?
Red or black?
James got it.
I was just saying that because of the look.
You got lucky.
I would guess a red.
Nah, I had to look because you know it's always.
He got a better angle. I'm looking at the front of it.
I'm talking about, he got lucky though. Because we saw the clover.
Yeah, I didn't see that.
He was just guessing off the clover.
Yeah,
I didn't even see that.
my lucky day. Huh?
You could have thought it was red though because of the side mirror.
Yeah.
At the bottom.
No, I just most of these always see a red or black.
Nah, it looks
I was
good
thinking
though.
Black. I always see the white. The white and black. Those are the two.
That's crazy though.
I guess if you get the red one though. But I don't like those wheels.
Dang, I like those. You don't like them?
Some better wheels.
What you talking about? Bro, those are like. Y'all hear this?
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah.
Next question. I don't know if you want to put this in the clip or not. But
Oh yeah, no. Let me cut.
yeah.
I'm doing the whole car? You said you were doing.
I'm gonna tell you what color I already off rip. It's gonna be this one.
Yeah, you have to wait and see.
I heard it was Two-Face.
I don't know who told you that. You have to wait and see.
Oh, flip line now?
My boy trying to go crazy on y'all boys, man.
You have to wait and see.
Why do I always
That's
get
why I
left
said
out?
don't believe everything you hear.
Why do I always get left out? I'm going to hell. Somebody send me, pack my bag.
Bro, legit.
Oh, it's in that box?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and pull it out the box, bro. Let's.
You gotta turn the camera off.
I cut the camera off. You let me see the wrap. I cut the camera off, bro.
I'll show you.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, you can't be spoiled. Huh?
what color you think it
Yeah.
is?
Nah, I think I got an idea though. Did you send it to me before?
Hell no.
Nah, shit. Yo, why you
You ain't gonna
can't?
do gold because I
Bro, the only person you can really ask that knows, go ask Bree.
Sorry.
She ain't gonna tell them.
I'm
It's
gonna,
hard to get shit out of her.
Exactly.
I'm gonna be like,
She's like, nah, man, go ask me
I'm
yourself.
gonna be like, cousin, you know I love you. I'm like, you know I love you, right? What? What he say? What he say?
Hey, just edit that part out. You look at the video, edit that part out. Remember this part.
I'm gonna be like, cousin, you know I love you, right? So what fat color got? Fat color is?
You call her right now and ask her. She's not gonna tell you.
Yeah, no.
Try to call it. They put the photo up there so they can see the reaction.
She gonna be like,
I record
off rip, I already know. No, I ain't gonna do it. Off rip, she gonna be like, boy, no, I already know. Off rip, I already know,
She gonna give you
bro.
that face too.
That junk nice though, man.
Now, it's time to see what. You know what? Y'all want to look weird.
And
Hold on.
you keep picking out all these. You keep picking out all these colors. Like,
no, I'm not in this.
just show it,
But check,
bro. All
talking
these
about that-
colors don't matter to me. I just want to see which
I'm gonna
red.
show you what blue.
That one.
So it's gonna be blue.
No, I'm talking about for you.
For you, fool.
Oh.
For me.
Oh, facts.
You want to see a hint? What it is?
Facts.
I just want
You want to see a hint?
I'll show him a hint.
Yeah. I got you.
You-
Show me a hint.
Here we go. Here we go.
It's gonna get me close. Cause I'm gonna know which one it is at that point.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least to get me close, and now it's
If it
just.
get me close to it, then I'll know. It's none of these.
So that's the hint.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
I can't even get the deluxe discount, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Yo.
Until the car gets back. I don't know what deluxe y'all talking about.
So what? When you get your wrap, you're gonna have
Now
to.
I'm regular Pat. This ain't deluxe Pat. When I get the car back, it's gonna be deluxe Pat again. Alright.
I'm hearing money still.
Money.
That's all I see coming to
You
me.
understand?
Yeah, every time you talk, I just see money shoot out
I'm
your
poor.
mouth.
I'm poor.
Why is he lying, bro? Man, everybody knows.
He has a 2019 Scat Pack with the fucking
Scat Pack. That is definitely a GT.
They ain't even a
Yo, go
2019.
down.
That's he got that
The
2022.
way he was floating.
It's got a tune.
Where are you, Blip?
Six.
I already got that.
New color coming for the scat.
Fucked up in here. See?
My boy got new
Something
wrap.
close to it.
He won't give us a hint, but I already know what color it is.
Alright,
So
so go
when
ahead
I
and
point out the color and we come back to the video,
Pick the color. Pick the color that y'all want. Look, hold on. Let me really give y'all a true
I'm
hint.
going with this. Right
There
here.
you go.
A true hint?
That's the true hint right here.
Not these.
Hold on. No, what are you doing?
Oh, these two?
Yeah, you got a lot to choose from.
What the fuck?
Hey, yo, move,
Yeah,
bro.
man, it's a
This
true hint.
look, bro.
I said
It's
yellow.
right. It's
I had
gonna
yellow.
be something close to this right here, bro.
He said orange.
Nah,
think so.
not orange like this though. It's gonna be like this right here.
Sunburst?
Yeah.
I think you might want to look through it harder.
Yeah,
I ain't gonna lie. Nah, my luck. I'm going
I
with
think
my
you
luck.
might want to look through it harder.
I don't know. Pat's good.
I know. I gotta be like that. If I ain't Pat, you ain't gonna know who I am.
Fuck this.
Alright,
I give
bro.
up. I'll just wait for the drop.
All right, bro.
I'm about to go open the box, but then I gotta pay.